Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, you open your book page 85. Today our lecture number 11 and HW number 10. Lecture number 11 and HW number 10 and topic LCM and HCF. Today our topic is LCM and HCF. Dear student, for this reason I have select two problems which is taken from your book page 85. Today I will teach you another rules for LCM and HCF because in the upper class this type of rules is very essential in upper class. Okay, so I have select this LCM and HCF in another rules. This rule is not included in your books, okay, but this is very essential in the upper class. So I have solved the LCM and HCF in another method. Okay, look. Now, question number 5, find LCM and HCF. One number 8, 12, 24. Right. 8, 12, 24. At first you give this line. We know 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers. For determining LCM, you have to choose a prime number or select a prime number so that at least two number is divisible by that number. Okay, I repeat again. For determination of LCM, you have to select a prime number, any prime number, so that at least two number is divisible by that number. Suppose we select here at first 2. Now select 2. This is even number, even number, even number. So if you divide 8 by 2, then you get 4, you get 6, then you get 12. Look here, all the numbers are even number. So this number again are divisible by 2. So write 2, then 3, then 6. I told you for determining LCM you have to choose or select a prime number so that at least two number will be divisible by that number. That means if you select here 2, then this number and this number are divisible. Okay, so you select here 2. Divide 1, you divide 2, then 1, 3 remaining same, and this is 3. Okay, that means if you divide 2 by 2, then you get 1, but you cannot divide 3 by 2. This is not divisible, so this is remain same. This is not divisible, so this is remain same. Okay, you divide 6 by 2, then you get 3. Now look, you select here 3. 1, if you divide 3 by 3, then you get 1, then 1. Therefore, LCM, that means least common multiple. Look, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. You write as a multiplication form. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. No need to write 1. Look, 2, 2, 2. That means 3, 2 and 3. This is equal to what? 3 to the 6. 6 to the 12. 12 to the 24. Okay. So our LCM is 24. You multiply like this way. 3 to the 6. 6 to the 12. 12 to the 24. Now HCF. 8, 12, 24. The previous class I have discussed about this. For determining a shape, you have to select a prime number so that all the numbers are divisible by that number. That means if you select here 2, then you see all the numbers are even numbers. So this is must be divisible by 2. Right? 4, then 6, then 12. If you divide 8 by 2, then you get 4. If you divide 12 by 2, then you get 6. If you divide 24 by 2, then you get 12. Okay? Now, look, all the numbers are even number. So, you select 2. 2, 3, and here 6. That means if you divide 12 by 2, then you get 6. If you divide 6 by 2, then you get 3. If you divide 4 by 2, then you get 2. Now look, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2, but this is not. Similarly, this is divisible by 3 and this is divisible by 3. Okay? So we cannot proceed again. I told you, repeat again. Please repeat again. When all the numbers are divisible by that selected prime number, then this is applicable for HCF. Okay? So there is no common prime number between the among the three numbers. So we cannot proceed. Therefore write HCF is equal to what? 2 into 2. That means 4. Okay, now write the answer. LCM 24, HCF 4. HCF 4. Number 2, 9, 12, 18. Okay? We know the prime number 2, 3 and 5 etc. Okay? Now at first I want to determine LCM. Okay, for determining LCM you write at first 9, 12, 18. You have to select a number or a prime number so that at least two number will be divisible by that number. Okay, so if you select here 2, then look, this number and this number are divisible by 2. Okay, if you divide 9 by 2, then this is not divisible. So this number is remaining same. Then 6, then 9. Okay. Now you select 3. Okay. You divide 9 by 3, then you get 3, 2, 3. Okay. Now again select 3, 1, 2, 1. Therefore LCM, right, 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. Okay, 2, 3, 3, 2. Now multiply 3 to the 6, 6 3 are 18, 18 to the 36, right, 36. Okay, now I want to determine HCF, right? 9, 12, 18. Now I want to determine HCF. You know, for determining HCF, we have to select a prime number so that all the number are divisible by that number. Okay? So if you select here 3, then see this number and this number are divisible by 3. Okay, this is 3, then 4, then 6. Okay. Now see here, if you divide 9 by 3, then you get 3, 12 by 3, 4, 18 by 3, then you get what? 6. You see here, this is and this is are divisible by 2, but this is not. Similarly, 3 and 6 are divisible by 3. Okay, but 4 is not. So we cannot proceed again. Therefore we write HCF CF equal to only 3. Okay, no need to write this. Dear student, hope you understood. Now I talk about your SW. Look, our SW is 10. EMB page 85, question number 5. This is our SW. Okay, dear student, hope you understood my discussion. You have to practice more and more. And remember that your assigned SW is very, very important for you, because on the submission of your SW copy, you will get your CD marks, diary marks and SBA marks. So you have to submit your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the school library, and you collect these SW copies on next Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, dear student, no more today. See you again, inshallah.